Alright guys, what I wanted to do here is just make a quick video on this 3.9 into the 86 Fiero. I'm going to be using the factory timing cover and factory harmonic balancer. And when you use the factory stuff, there's no timing marks on the outside of the engine. So if you're using an aftermarket standalone computer, you're going to have to know where top dead center is at in order to time the engine. So I'll show you what I did here. Here's the factory timing cover off of the Fiero. If we come down here, it's got timing marks on here, right here. So what I did is I installed it on the engine here, and then I verified that cylinder 1 was at top dead center, and I used the factory harmonic balancer and moved that into place. There's the factory mark right there. And then I took this one off and I installed this harmonic balancer along with this timing cover that was already on it, and then I could mark on this balancer where top dead center was at for the number 1 cylinder. And there's the mark, top dead center number 1 on the balancer. Now all I have to do is come over here. This has to be cleaned, of course, and then I can make my mark up here on this spot to coincide with the balancer. And then when you set your base timing with your standalone computer, you'll have it correct. And that way you'll know that the timing is correct. If you're commanding 20 degrees of timing on your engine, you'll know it'll be at 20 degrees of timing. Alright guys, that was it. Just a quick short video. Thank you.